guys, my name is Sohana and welcome back to my channel Shivolution. In this video, I will be unboxing the Sean Wotherspoon Atmos Asics Gel Lyte 3. So people who are watching this for the first time, Shivolution is my channel where I talk about everything about shoes basically, whether it's shoe hacks, shoe reviews, shoe cleaning tips, shoe styling tips, and a lot more of shoe content. So if you're already a subscriber, then welcome back, and if you're not, then you can subscribe to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing video. It will be like a quick unboxing video of the Sean Wotherspoon Asics Gel Lyte. I know I am a little late on this because the shoe was launched last month, that is the month of September, and I am doing a video a month later. That is because I couldn't get the shoe when it was launched. There were super limited pieces launched only at Super Kicks and Wedge Non-Veg, and honestly I did about 20 entries. Both of them. It was a raffle system and I didn't get a call from either of them, so I was very disappointed at that time. And then I was able to get the Adidas Sean Wotherspoon Adidas Super Earth, and I've also done a review on those shoes. You can check on the description below. I've put the link over there. So yes, so now a month later, it is my birthday month, and it was my birthday last week, and that's when my husband gifted me these shoes. So yes, they are super special to me, obviously because it's like a birthday present, and I'm in love, deeply in love with these shoes. They are my favorite. So Sean Wotherspoon till date has collaborated with 3 brands. First one was the Nike Air Max, which was launched way back, and it was a huge hit then, and even now it is like a rage. It is very hard to get your hand onto those shoes. It is available at StockX, but you can get it resale, but again very limited. The prices are really high. And the second collaboration was with Asics. Now Asics Gel Lyte 3 completed 30 years this year, so they were celebrating their 30th anniversary, whereas Atmos is basically a streetwear, a sneaker store from Japan. They celebrated their 20th anniversary and they collaborated with Sean Wotherspoon. He was a very famous sneaker designer. I'm sure most of you will know him. So 3 leading brands collaborated and they made Asics Gel Lyte 3 as their canvas. That's why this shoe, I think, is so special because it has so much story behind it, which I'm going to tell you, and obviously it's just like, again I'm repeating myself, but yeah, like 3 brands, 3 designers, Sean Wotherspoon, Atmos, and so on, and I'm going to tell you why the shoe is special as well. I think I should stop blabbing and I should just show you the shoe now. Here is my baby! So yeah, this is the box. As you can see, it is made up of this recyclable cardboard and it has a Sean Wotherspoon Atmos Asics logo on it. This is how it looks like. It also has a retail price of $13.99. So yeah, let's quickly open and show the shoe. So once you open the box, the first thing is a message by Sean Wotherspoon, and yeah, so then this is the shoe, guys. Isn't it amazing? Like, this is crazy. Like, look at the colors. I'm anyways a person who likes like colorful and bold, so yeah, that's why this shoe is something which is my favorite and I love it. I think this will be one of the most prized possession in my closet. Along with the shoe, I also have in this box a pair of extra laces. This is like a very nice pastel pink color. And then we have these cute little stick-ons, which is again a really super special thing about this shoe, that it comes with this velcro thing, which I'm going to show you now, and how you can use these patches. So guys, this is the shoe. I've obviously worn it, so it might be a slightly dirty, but yeah, like, I just love it. I love the colors. So now you must be wondering that why is this shoe so different? Like, the colors are so different. So there's a story behind it, which is again very super interesting. So So this pair, the right one represents LA, which is Sean Wotherspoon's homeland, and you know, the bright colors, bright sunny hues and so on. Also, Sean Wotherspoon loves bright colors. Like, it was quite evident when he launched the Nike Air Max. Whereas this pair, the left one, represents the homeland of the creative director of Atmos, that is Tokyo. So, you know, the urban elements of the downtown of Tokyo. This is what this shoe represents. That's why it has like a little dark hues and this has like really bright hues. So yeah, this is the story about the shoe. And now let me just go into the detailing a little bit. I know there are like a lot of videos on YouTube already, but yes, mine is special, okay? So I love the corduroy detailing on the shoe. This makes this silhouette super special and different and very unique. Sean Wotherspoon had also used corduroy in his earlier shoe, and he has also used in this Asics one, and I honestly love corduroy. As you can see the colors, the left pair has a little darker hues, purple tones mixed with dark green, black and so on, whereas the right pair has bright hues of orange, sky blue, the sea green. Even the back sole is like super colorful. I also wanted to, you know, tell you about the comfort. So Gel Lyte is basically a running shoe. So it is supposed to be very comfortable, and it is really comfortable to wear. It's also true to size. So I bought this in UK 6, which is my size. My size is UK 5.5 to 6, but half sizes are not available in India. They don't even get launched in India. So yes, I'm unlucky in that. But UK 6 fits me perfectly. So yes, this is true to size and super comfortable. So you don't have to worry about that. And now let's have some fun with the shoe. Is change these logo stick-ons. So I have with me blue color, green and a black color. The yellow and the red is already there. So let's remove this yellow and this one. You can have one green, one yellow, like completely your wish. So you can remove the red, you can put the yellow one and put the green and the done. Yeah, so that was it guys. Just wanted to come here and do like a quick unboxing video. I hope you liked it. And I'll also be doing a styling video very soon, but that video will only be uploaded on my Instagram channel, that is shoevolution_India. So if you're not following me there, you can go and follow. So guys, if you like the video, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. And also let me know in the comments, is this shoe a cop or a drop for you, and what do you think about it? And also if you want to know where to buy it from, you can DM me or leave a comment and I will let you know, and I will try to, you know, connect you with a legit reseller. So see you guys, take care.